I made this shrimp and fried rice. It came out very lovely and I thought to share. If you'd like to learn to cook with me, come along as I share with you how to make shrimp fried rice. This is an easy fried rice recipe. Firstly, I placed my pan on my cooker and I poured cooking oil into the pan. I allowed the cooking oil to get hot, and as soon as I was sure that the cooking oil was hot enough, I poured my shrimps into the cooking oil. These shrimps have been properly cleaned and ready to be cooked. I fried the shrimps for about 1 minute on medium heat, and then I proceeded to season the shrimps by adding mixed herbs. I also added curry powder. I added 1 seasoning cube which I had to crumble. After crumbling the seasoning cube, of course, there's one ingredient that I must add, and that is salt. So I added salt. After adding the salt, I mixed everything up very well in order to ensure that the shrimps are properly seasoned, as well as the cooking oil also is properly seasoned. And then I added other vegetables like spring onions and sliced yellow and green bell peppers. After adding the bell peppers, I mixed everything up very well again, and then the next thing I did was to cover the pan to allow the shrimps cook. I cooked the shrimps for 2 minutes on medium heat. After that, this is what the shrimps look like, and now it's time for the next step. For the next step, I scooped out the shrimps from the cooking oil to get the cooking oil ready for the other ingredients that I will be using to cook this shrimp fried rice. I like to say this: if you've watched this video to this point, don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. And to my new viewers, welcome to this channel. I hope you like what you're watching, and I hope that you would explore this food vlog so that you can enjoy all the Nigerian food cooking videos that I have on this vlog for you. Back to cooking. After scooping out the shrimps, here I have my already blended peppers. This is pepper and onion mix. I poured the pepper and onion mix into the hot oil, and the pepper and onion mix, I have to tell you, is made of onions, red bell peppers, and red long peppers. After mixing, I poured my seasoning cube, my mixed herb, curry powder. All of this is to ensure that everything is well seasoned and delicious. And of course, I added salt and bay leaves. Then I mixed everything up very well. Like I said, the idea here is to ensure that everything is properly seasoned and well put together. After mixing everything well, I covered the pan and allowed to cook for 3 minutes on medium heat. Afterwards, this is what the sauce looks like, and it is time to cook proper fried rice. So I added some water to the sauce to make it a little bit watery, and now I went ahead to add the rice. The rice has been cleaned, properly cleaned and washed in water at least 2 times. After pouring the rice into the sauce, I mixed everything up very well. So to clarify, there are different types of fried rice. There is beef fried rice, there is chicken fried rice, there's turkey fried rice. There are so many different types of fried rice. Now, after mixing the rice very well with the sauce, I added some more water because it was obvious that the water would not be enough to cook the rice properly. After adding water, I mixed again very well. So one first thing to remember when cooking fried rice is that you have to be very careful with the quantity of water you add. You do not want to add too much water so that your rice doesn't become soggy, and you do not want to add too little water so that your rice cooks perfectly. Now, after adding the perfect amount of water, I covered the pan with aluminum foil and then placed the pan cover on the aluminum foil just to keep the foil in place. Now, I cooked this for about 15 minutes on medium heat. After 15 minutes, take a look at the rice. This is what the rice looks like. It looks delicious already, I know, but I'm not done cooking yet. So I'm simply checking if the rice is properly cooked. That is why you have to always check the rice at regular intervals. Once in a while, you have to open up the pan and check the rice. If possible, taste the rice just to ascertain that it matches your taste. After checking the rice looks properly cooked, almost properly cooked. And then the next thing I did was I poured in the shrimp. That's the fried shrimp I made earlier. And I added some vegetables, sweet corn, peas, beans, and carrots. After adding the vegetables, I lightly mixed very well. And then I added some water. Remember I said previously that the rice is almost properly cooked. So this water is to heat up the vegetables as well as do the final cooking for the rice. After pouring some water, I proceeded to lift the rice at the edges so that the water can actually go down to the bottom of the pan, because if I knew that if I did not lift the rice at the edges, the rice may just stay in the middle. So after lifting the rice, I covered the rice again. I covered the pan again with aluminum foil and placed the cover on top of it. Then the next thing I did was I allowed to cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. Take a look at this. Isn't this looking so lovely and so nice? If you've watched this video to this point, thank you so much. Obviously, you are enjoying this video. That's why you keep watching. And I'm so happy that you're here. Don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, share this video, and of course, please subscribe to this channel without delay. I covered and I cooked for 4 extra minutes. Remember I said that once in a while you have to check your rice just to be sure that everything is, moving on smoothly and properly. So after the first time I checked and I added some water and vegetables, remember, I cooked for 5 minutes and I covered. And after covering, I cooked for another 3 minutes. And here I am checking again. And graciously, my rice is finally properly cooked. My delicious fried rice is ready. Like I said earlier, this shrimp fried rice is very easy to make at home. So if you're looking for something easy and straightforward to cook at home, why not make shrimp fried rice? It is lovely, it is delicious, and it is nice. I'm sounding so excited because, who doesn't sound excited at the sight of good food? Now, let me say this. If you like all the ingredients of this shrimp fried rice, you will find everything in detail in the description box. So make sure you check the description box for the details rather. Now it's time to serve. Take a look at my delicious shrimp fried rice. This is nice. This is lovely. And I like to say this. If you're yet to subscribe, it is equally important that you subscribe. So if you're yet to subscribe, don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I post amazing, delicious, and easy to follow Nigerian food cooking videos every single week. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for visiting my food vlog. I really do appreciate your time. It is a privilege to have you here. Bye.